And this is just in front of Verdun Park. You see? This is an intersection. And this road going there is this St. John College School. So that's St. John. St. John College of Davao. And the road going in the opposite direction would be going to SM Super or SM Mall. The road that an accident occurred is also or can also go to SM Mall. Now what happened here was an accident occurred. Now they're bringing the casualty. I believe there's only one casualty. Isa lang ata ang na-disgrasya talaga nito or napuruhan. Ito yung nakamotor. Now, dinadala na siya at sinasakay na dito sa police car. Or yung motor pala dinala sa police car. But yung pasyente andito na sa 911 responders. Ang galing nila. So this is the 911 responder over here. They gave first aid treatment. And there's another car over here for the responder. And the police cars are also here helping in blocking the road to prevent more casualties. I think yung napuruhan is yung naka-motorcycle. So, isa lang yung nakita ko kanina na nakaratay sa baba. Isa lang yung nakaratay na nakita ko. And nandito na siya ngayon sa 911 car being treated and probably to be sent to a hospital. Again, there is an accident. There was and still is an accident involved in front of Verdun Park. So as you can see, this is Verdun Park over here. Taken to a hospital. So wala naman masyadong traffic. Kanina lang medyo nag-condense talaga yung area. But right now it's doing good na. Again guys, first time ko nakita itong accident na to in this intersection. And this part here of the road in front of Verdun Park condominium is not a super highway wherein fast cars are seen. So this is not an accident prone area. But right now, there was one. So, hopefully, ewan ko, bakit hindi pa nakalis ito si 911? Go, take him now to the hospital. May isa talagang may casualty talaga isa. And he was treated right away with the first aid responders. So, guys, ito din kaganda ng Davao eh. Once merong accidents, talagang may mag-respond ka agad. And it's not just anyone ha. 911, which is recognized internationally.